Here's his outside metal duct. Looks like he has a piece of rubber tape there. Okay, so he turned off the dryer, and you can see that was what I guess the guy did, is he put this on as a little bit of counterweight to keep that flap down. You see there's just a little bit of lint here on the edge. I'm going to not pull off. There's a lot of lint. And there you go, that flap is reasonably closed. A lot better than the other ones I've seen. So that's kind of a interesting thing to do. This is another type of duct you may come across, ones I don't like. This is a plastic one with a plastic flapper. You can see the flapper's closed on this one, which is good. But the only problem with these guys is kids throwing balls, they hit that thing and it shatters, and then you got problems. So I prefer if you're getting this style, you get the metal one, but they don't even make metal. At least I can't see metal at the home store, so. Seems these days all the kind you get are the ones with the 3 louvers. Here's one of the newer style plastic vents. Kind of interesting. It has a lever on the bottom that allows it to open, so that a person could get in there and clean out the vent, like so. The thing is, I don't know how long it'll last because it feels pretty flimsy. One benefit with this style of vent is that if you were to break one of these guys, you could go to the store and buy another vent, and in the warm weather, take this guy out by lifting up in the middle. Again, don't do this when it's cold because it'll just crack. But you can take it out like so and then switch the broken piece for a new piece.